Themba does not need to do much. Themba with his touch, just a bit of a shaking Mzimba and then make that pass. His teammates now starts picking up and then everything goes smooth. Scoring goals, not a lot of goals that he scores. And maybe not a lot of assists that he's doing. Maybe we can say the third pass before the final assist, so that also contributes to the goal. Unfortunately, Resheva the last pass before the finish, and we call that an assist. So it is very key. Themba is very important for Mamelodi Sundowns, and I don't think he will retire anytime soon. Probably he still have 3-4 years in his legs for Mamelodi Sundowns. International football, Bafana, it's another story. But for Mamelodi Sundowns, he still has an important role that Themba Zwane can play.